So this is a very common and cheap watt meter, and most of the videos on YouTube, most of them don't show you the cost of operating an appliance. So I'm gonna show you how to see the cost of using an appliance. I just finished using my air fryer, and I used it for 27 minutes and 12 seconds. So I'm going to show you what this watt meter recorded. Okay. So when I first plugged in the meter, it shows the watt to be 0.1 watt. That would be the low. And then the high would be 1586 watt. So 1586 watt. And then the cost of the kilowatt is 32 cents. That's what I entered into the watt meter originally. I'm going to show you how to enter that amount. Okay. And now it shows you 11 cents. That's the cost. So that would be the cost of using my air fryer for 27 minutes and 12 cents. 11 cents is at the 32 cents per kilowatt hour. So that would cost me 11 cents to use the air fryer. And this is in US dollar. So you say, why is it so high? I mean, why is it 32 cents? In our area, actually, when they tell you the kilowatt is about 16 cents, but after you added in all the charges and taxes, that would come up to about 32 cents. So the actual out-of-pocket cost would be 11 cents to operate the air fryer. The problem with this watt meter is if you want to find out what each instance your appliance would cost to operate, you would have to reset it and start anew, unless you want to do some arithmetic and deduct the previous session. So what you have to do with this meter is you have to reset it. Okay, and this is the reset button here, RST. You press it, and then now you can reset it. Okay, you press course, press function, and then you see the blinking 0 there. So most of the cost in our area would be under $1 per kilowatt. So this is the third digit here, and you press up or down to set your cost. So like I said, mine is 32 cents. So 3 here, and then 0. You press up or down to 32. So that would be the cost of the usage for each kilowatt hour. So after that, then you would just plug your appliance into the watt meter here. You can see the time, the counters has been reset to 0. So if you want to find out the cost of your next appliance in operating that piece of equipment, you can do that. And after you finish using it, you can do what I just shown from the beginning of the video, and you just press cost, and it will tell you 11 cents or however much that appliance costs to operate. And that is, for the most part, what people want to know. They don't really want to know how much a 60-watt light bulb uses, you know pretty much when you buy a 60-watt light bulb, it uses 60 watt, right? But you want to know, um, according to your local utility company, how much it would cost to operate that equipment. If you use it 2 hours a night, how much it would cost to operate that piece of equipment. When I had this watt meter in the garage, the screen doesn't work very well. And if this is used inside a house and the screen function better, the buttons might not function that well when it is operated below freezing weather. So that's a gripe, but that's the limitations of it's not an industrial piece of equipment. So for my purpose, I just wanted to find out how much this air fryer uses to cook a meal. And when I use it for like close to half an hour, it costs 11 cents. And that's what most people wanted to know. All right. Thanks for watching.